Hello students, I hope you all are well at home. Today I am here with one of the poem from your textbook, Beehive. Name of the poem is Rain on the Roof and the poet of the poem is Coates Skinner. Let's know something about the poet. Coates Skinner was born in 1826 near Penn Yan, New York. The Rain on the Roof, which was set to music, was the most popular. He died in Ohio in 1904. From the title of the poem, Rain on the Roof, we can make out that the poem is about the rain. The poet is telling us about the memories he has of the rain. The sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house bring back sweet memories of the past. Let's do explanation stanza by stanza. Stanza 1. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. The poet is saying that when the humid shadows hover, here humid shadow refers to dark clouds which are full of water. The poet is saying that when the sky is full of these clouds, which are moisture laden, are full of water and are about to bring rain. When such clouds hover around in the sky over all the starry spheres refer to the sky at the night, which is full of stars. At that time, huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops, which seem like tears falling from the sky. The poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying, and the raindrops are the tears shed by it. He adds that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room. Cottage chamber means bedroom, and listen to the sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. Stanza 2. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollection weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter on the rain upon the roof. Explanation of the stanza is, the poet is expressing his feelings when he hears the raindrops falling on the roof top of his house. He says that every tinkle on the shingle has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart, and in his dreams he has many different fanciful imaginations. He adds that the sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as dreams. So, he says that as he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Stanza 3. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years alone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, feel her fond look on me as I list to the refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Explanation of the stanza is, here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother. As he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother, who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, and she would let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listened to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room. The sound of the rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past and he is reminded of his mother. After the explanation of this poem, let's go through with the literary devices used by the poet in the poem. Poet mostly use these devices to make its poem decorative and interesting. So let's go through it. Firstly, let's know about the rhyme scheme of the poem. There are 3 stanzas in the poem and each stanza follow the same rhyme scheme, that is AB, CB, DE, FE. In stanza 1, poet uses alliteration in humid hover, starry spheres, press pillow. In the same stanza, poet uses onomatopoeia in patter word. Patter means sound made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop. In stanza 1, poet uses personification also, as he used darkness. Now in the stanza 2, poet uses alliteration in busy being, their thread. The same stanza, poet uses onomatopoeia in tinkle and patter, means the sounds made by the raindrops. In the same stanza, poet uses personification in recollection, means they weave dreams. In stanza 3 also, poet uses alliteration in memory, my mother, darling dreamers. In stanza 3 also, poet uses onomatopoeia by using this word patter, means sound of raindrops falling on the shingles of the roof. That's all about this poem. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.